Okay, so we are on the Carnival Breeze. This is room 7466. It's on the 7th deck. It is an aft cabin. And first impressions, it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. There's plenty of room between the bed and the chairs. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you space by space as to what might be interesting to you. So here is the bathroom. It is small and cozy, smaller than I have been on in the past. It does have a shower. It does not have a tub. There is also a swimming suit line, and it does have already built-in dispensers for soap and shampoo, and it does have a nice shower curtain. Moving around, there is a toilet, a small toilet. The floor is kind of a vinyl tile, which is nice for slip-proof, and it does have one small sink, and it has enough storage to put your toiletries and cosmetics on to the right and left. There is also some storage underneath. You can put cosmetic bags, and there is tissue paper and a trash bin. What we have noticed already is there's plenty of storage, starting with the back side of the room behind the door where you can put your luggage. There is also 2 closets, and then there's a 3rd closet that does have space for a safe, and there's plenty of bedding and linens. There is a 4-set drawer over here, and there is more storage, and I believe that is actually where the safe is at. There's a vanity table to get ready, and then there's also a mini bar and some more storage up here. There's also storage underneath the pull-out bed, and there is storage underneath the bed as well. So we have noticed already is there's only one set of plugs in the entire cabin. They are right here in front of the vanity. There is a plug for a shaving in the bathroom, but it is not something you could use for other equipment. So this is one of those times that I would bring one of your adapters that has multiple plug outlets on there, because that is the only one. We checked over here by the nightstands where we expected to see a plug or a USB, and there is none of that either. So for this cruise, we selected an aft cabin, and this is our first aft balcony, and I'm gonna take you out there right now.